Okay, let me show now how we work with our windows. As you know, maybe I want to do the windows in Cinema 4D directly, because we are very fast and with great materials on it already, and they are still simple, really detailed, really more detailed than it is possible in SketchUp or Archicad or something like that. Simply go to the window roofs. We have this windows set. I will add there also, these are some kind of aluminium outside frame and some plastic inside frame, how it is typically. And I mean, if you really need some wood windows, then you can go in the meantime to the modeling library for Corona for interior, and there you see you have some different wood windows, but they are not that great for exterior. But you can take it if better than the PVC plastic windows. If you need wood windows, simply take them. It is a bit hard to modify them, but it is okay. I will prepare them also a bit better. So let me do only one example. Um, Close. Okay, Philip writes me again. Let me do, for example, let me look all what windows we have. We have some sliding elements and we have some normal different window. Oh, okay, those are window door sliding elements. We have all those windows there. Um, we have, you see they exist from two materials. We have frame exterior material and we have frame interior material. So this is really great if you later have to do some animation and want to go from inside to outside. We can really have this great two material windows, you know. So this is one of the main reasons why I want to use those presetted windows from Cinema 4D. They are really perfect. You can see the most windows you can also rotate. So also for exterior visualizations, it is great if you have some variations in the windows. If you rotate some ones, you can see I try to set all axe axe points in the right direction already. So this makes also a great work for exterior visualizations if you variate them a bit. So you see, white for us is the interior material like plastic, white plastic, and we have this kind of anthracite exterior frame. I mean, if you need to change the frame exterior also to white, simply go to the material and change it to white, and then you have it. I change it now for in some kind of red, so we can, yeah, I see. And now let's take, for example, a window door and a fix element. Maybe I will also implement some drainage to every window in the future. So we have directly some. So, yeah, it is always good that you open the windows after you made the size changes. You know. Now I only mark these two things. Go to point modus, select the rectangular light, and select all points, not only the visible ones. Select it from here. Get here. And make the fix element, say like here. It's really a big door now. And now you can open and rotate it. That is really great. So we can later also animate this really easy. And let me add here some. You can use the snapping tool. You know, by holding when you rotate it, and if you hold Shift, you can rotate it in this. Yeah, see in this raster 10, 20, 30. I'll simply hold Shift while rotating. Can place it. So you have also some material for the windowsill outside. As you can see it better, change it now to some green. Yeah. Also there, simple, select all elements and move it like it is in the plans. These are now two windows which you can open, not one fixed one. I think these are two windows. And normally, yes, there should be the rotation here. Perfect. So I mean, if you have to put them a bit more to the inside, you can also do it and simply scale a bit the window sill. It is different from. I think you need 10 minutes to make all windows, but then they look really great, you know. This is really worth the work. And let me add also some shutters to show you now. You see we have this rough store, those ones, and we have these rollos. These rollos are normally only for north sides on the facades where you have no sun, where you have the baths. Normally we use those one. I take this rough store full control and I drag it. Let me drag it here. You see these are the windows from the existing scene. Let's do it here. This is an element that I programmed a bit, and it is very realistic. I mean, if there is missing only a bit, you can simply take the scale, not, yeah, you can scale it like this, but you see it works not that good, so change first the scaling mode there to object, simply hold along the mouse here, object, now you see it scales better. There you have the element numbers which you want to have. Then you can rotate this lamelle, you see, and you have this fixed element, this end lamelle, this closing lamelle. So this is also very detailed and very great in final images. So I want to open it. So you only add also some variations. I mean, you can also on some can also do it like that, that you have 0 elements or 1 element and only the end element if it is open. Yes. And same on the shutters, it is really easy that you, but this is a set only for the north sides normally, because there you use these shutter elements. Also here you can, also you have to go to this Espresso tab here, can change the width, can change the amount of plates, the blade distance, plate size, and you have everything to play with. So this is the kind how I would make the windows, and I'm sure if you do it like that, we have great detail on the windows. The windows are mainly one of the most important things.